Hey guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise and hope you all would be doing great. So in this video I'm going to talk about all the flower plants that can be grown from seeds in the month of April. But before that, if you are new to this channel or yet not have subscribed to it, then I request you to please do so and hit the bell icon afterwards so that you'll get the first hand notification whenever I upload a new video. So you can still grow all the summer season plants but need to keep certain things in mind. You should place the pot at a shaded location or a semi-shaded location, which gets only couple of hours of sunlight either early morning or late evening. So let's start the list. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button, share this video to as many people as you can with. Write comments if you have any. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.